Skyhawk 903. So do you have the field in sight? Can you switch to runway 4 left?
We would love that. 903 Echo.
Skyhawk 903 Echo, change to runway 4 left. Runway 4 left, clear to land.
Runway 4 left, clear to land. 903 Echo. 4 left, clear.
JetBlue 576, Golf Bravo to the ramp, monitor ground, good night.
Golf Bravo to you at the ramp, JetBlue 576, bearing via Foxtrot.
Roger.
Alright, Mr. Juan. 12,000 foot runway now. Oh, it's getting out of this.
Number 1, runway 4 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 4 right, go 804.
Alright. 04 left. All this airport for us. Pretty much. By 100. Beautiful. Looking good. $12,000 foot runway, buddy. No pressure. Okay. Red light's a little low and a little slow. And a little bit of power. Power. Awesome. Great job. Verify on my airspeed. Everything's looking great. That's it. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. Alright, see those green dots up there? Right? Green dots at the center line. And the turn off.
Vehicle, turn left, Juliet. Do you want a full length of runway 4 left, or would you like an intersection departure?
We would love the full length if possible. Left turn on Juliet.
Skyhawk 903 Echo, left Juliet, left on Kilo, and cross, runway 31 left.
Left on Juliet, left on Kilo, cross runway 31 left, 903 Echo. Awesome. Alright, you're on Juliet, and then left on Kilo, cross runway, Kilo's up there. Keep going. Alright, flaps up, carb heat in. Nope, that's Kilo Delta. Kilo's in front of you. Oh wait, no, is that Kilo? And sorry about that, JFK Tower, 903 Echo. This is Kilo here.
Skyhawk 93 Echo, yep, that's Kilo. If you can't make it, make left on Kilo Echo then.
And we'll make a left turn on Kilo, we got it, thanks.
You're welcome. Kilo and cross runway 31 left.
Kilo and cross runway 31 left, 93 Echo, thanks.
Copa 804, cross runway 4 left on Foxtrot.
Straight ahead. Alright, so that's Kilo Delta, that's Kilo. Okay, I got it.
Runway 4 left.
on Foxtrot, then left on Alpha, Copa 804.
You're too close.
Clear across. Yep. And then just take this down, stay to the left. Awesome. All the way down.
We need the full runway to do a short takeoff.
If you're gonna do this, you might as well get the entire experience. You want to taxi, you want to take off full length, you want to see the floor in the beginning. Yeah, man. I don't want to blast off the section. Alright, buddy, we're still in the Bravo, so we keep our code. Everything is all good. We'll take off. We'll let them know that we're ready to go. Once we're ready to go, we'll go right back to New York Approach. Those are just to Farmingdale, and we'll do this one more time at Farmingdale and back home. Look at this green light here right down the center line. Come on. How do you screw this up?
Skyhawk 903 Echo. Do you just want a flight following and a cancellation upon leaving the Bravo, or did you want an approach or anything at Farmingdale?
We can do our own navigation, so we'll just stay with you as long as we have to.
Skyhawk 903 Echo, roger. 1030 at 12. Turn right on course to Farmingdale. Runway 4 left, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 4 left, clear for takeoff, and right turn towards Farmingdale on the go. Thanks for your help, 9 Echo. You almost want to like jump out of the plane and take a picture, right?
Oh yeah.
and just take a selfie. You don't have to hold short once you make the turn. You are good to go. It's funny, private pilot, we teach you about a hold short line. Look what these airlines guys got. Alright. 04 left. Oh, it's clear. Alright. If 4 Flight didn't tell you, I will tell you. There's 12,079 feet remaining. Alright. Mixture full rich, everything's all good. Strobe lights are back on. And we are good.
Full power.
We are good to go.
Right, runner. Airspeed is alive, 40, 50. Looking for rotation. Rotate. I wonder if we can hit 1,000 feet by the end of the runway. Pretty close.
Echo, reset your transponder, please. Squawk 0305 and maintain VFR out of below 1,400.
0305, reset the transponder, and that's below 1,500 direct Farmingdale. Thank you. There we go.